So, Mr. Subhash, why don't you tell me about yourself? Where are you from and what do you do?
Yeah, I am from Guwahati, that is in the state of Assam, and I am doing in a government service here.
Okay, all right. So, when did you join our classes? I think you've done some 175 sessions already.
I have been with Klepingo for a pretty long time now. It is
Okay.
almost 1 year, I think, going to be completed 1 year in next February.
Oh my God, long-term student of ours.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so any particular reason to join? Because you're fairly well settled in a government job and everything. So, any reason to improve your English?
Yes, I want to learn this language, particularly in speaking. So, because I studied in a regional language, so I
Okay.
can speak. That's why.
Okay. All right. So, but why now?
Why now means I was trying to learn this for such a long time, but the thing is that this kind of facility was not there earlier. So I do not have this kind of facility. Now we have got an
Facility.
app in Klepingo, so we can learn. Earlier it was not there.
Okay. Okay. But did you try some other means before Clippingo was there since you wanted to improve your English?
Before Klepingo, I tried another app that is Cambly, but it's a bit expensive, so I could not continue
Very
with that
expensive.
one. Yeah.
Uh-huh. No, but did you try any offline classes or any other means to improve your
Oh
English? Or this is
yeah,
like,
yeah. I tried offline classes here in our city,
haha.
so it was not that helpful because after a certain point of time, they told me that yeah, it's over now. They could not teach me anymore, so it did not help me. Particularly, I did not have any other partner also with whom I could speak or the surrounding people. That was another matter. So now here I can speak with the tutor for some time
Uh-huh.
on a regular basis. So in a way, it's helping me.
It's helping you. Okay. And that's the reason why you've continued for a year. Otherwise, you would have not continued for a year had it not been helping you.
Yes, yes, sure, that's sure.
Yeah, because if you don't see a certain improvement in yourself, then you would not have continued for this long.
Yeah, certainly.
So, just for my own understanding, why do you think the offline classes that you didn't help you? Like, what is your understanding?
That was a very beginner's level actually. So
Okay.
just forming 2 or 3 sentences like that. After that, I did not have anything to learn. They did not provide the higher level, the next level, you can say, from the beginner level to intermediate level. So I am here
Okay.
trying to increase my level. So I think now I am in a intermediate level. So
Yes.
I want to do more.
Okay. So that's really lovely. Okay. Very nice. Okay. So, and how exactly will learning English help you more? Will it help you in your career? Will it help you in your personal life?
No, there is not such thing. It is just only for my wish that if there is any
More of a
situation,
okay. More of a self
if there,
improvement.
yeah. Okay, continue, please.
No, no, it's just more of a self improvement, I would say.
Yes, yeah. There is nothing to achieve actually. That after learning this, I have a plan or I have a goal to achieve something. It's not like that. Just to, I
Uh-huh.
want to improve on my present position.
Okay, no problem. Any skill that you acquire always helps you.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, very nice. Okay, so how are things in Assam, especially with this new situation in India?
Regarding this
COVID,
this,
yes,
yeah.
COVID.
So till now it's okay. Uh, Everything is going normal, except the thing that we have a curfew from 10 p.m. till next 6 a.m.
Night curfew, but no cases in Assam.
2 or 3 new cases. I mean, this Omicron variant. What it is exactly? How it is
Omicron.
pronounced? Omicron. So
Omicron. Yeah.
Omicron.
Hmm.
There is 2 or 3 cases. This new variant, and the other one, this COVID-19, the earlier one. Yeah, there are some cases. Say 2,000 or 3,000 like that.
Okay, 2003. But please be very careful. Even if it is not Omicron, doesn't mean it's not spreading. So,
Yes, yes, we have to be careful. We have to learn from past experience also.
yes. So I stay in New Delhi. We are having like almost 20,000 cases every day.
Yes, there is something very serious in New Delhi.
Something serious in New Delhi. Why do you think so? What is so serious about New Delhi?
Because I have heard that the government there has closed all these educational institutions. So if it was not serious, they would not have closed those things because here it is normal. So I thought like that. So it is something serious there.
Okay, okay. No, no, we have some 20,000 cases. I think yeah, your neighbor Kolkata is also not very far behind.
Yes, that's true.
So lots of cases over there also. So okay, so not bad. But are you vaccinated?
Yes, yes. I have taken 2 vaccinations.
Okay, okay. You are completely vaccinated.
Yes. We can say that it is not helping because you see earlier those who are not vaccinated when they are afflicted with this pandemic, so
Mhm.
the fatality rate was high. But after people got vaccinated, now this rate is very low in comparison to the rate that we seen earlier in the second phase. So it is not like that now, and purely because of this vaccination.
But the variant now is mild.
That is also true. And the same thing, had we not been vaccinated, it would have been different. The the situation would have been a grievous one, I think.
Previous one, yes, very true. Then it would have been much this thing. It would have could have been much worse.
Yes, yes, could have been much worse.
Worse. Okay,
Because
okay.
in second phase, you see, we have seen a lot of people died. At that
Yes,
time, at that
yes.
time, the people were not vaccinated. Particularly, the second vaccination was not been administered in most cases.
But that time even the variant was different. So
Yeah,
I'm not
that's
sure if it's only because of vaccination. Even the variant was different. That time Delta is a very deadly variant.
yeah, that was also true. Yeah, it's true.
Yeah, so we cannot give all the credit to vaccination. It's also there is a difference between the two variants. Omicron is a much milder variant. Around the world, there have been not too many fatalities with this variant. And Delta, as such as a variant, was a very deadly variant.
Yes, right.
So, so I think it's a lot of factors together. It's vaccination is just one of the factors.
Yes,
Okay,
but
and
major factor, you can say.
major factor. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. And how is the weather in Assam? So you're based in Guwahati or where are you based?
Yeah, yeah, I'm in Guwahati.
Okay. So how's the weather in Guwahati? Is it winters or how is it? Cold?
Not cold as much as you experience in Delhi, but it is cold, but not as much.
Cold by East standards.
Now in your
Uh,
place, it may be 6 or 7, I think.
yes, yes. We are experiencing extreme cold right now. It is raining for the last 4, 5 days.
Oh
Like
my God, it's raining also. It has been raining also.
yes,
Oh, so it is making more cold. It is making colder.
making colder. Plus, it's making things worse because in this weather, usually people fall ill,
Hmm.
and then there is a new variant also. So everything is added up together. That's why Delhi is experiencing such a bad
So
number
it
of
is not a
cases.
normal thing. Delhi doesn't get rainfall this time, I think. There
We
two
get
for 2 3 days. Yeah.
we get more rainfall in winter than we get in monsoons.
Oh, I didn't know that. I never followed it.
Yes, that is the tragedy of Delhi. When it is like really cold, we will get like so much of rainfall.
Okay.
Yeah, and monsoons we don't get rainfall.
But this time, I think you Delhi receive heavy rainfall during monsoon
Very heavy
this year.
rainfall.
This year, yeah.
Hmm. Yeah, 22 years the highest rainfall in winters.
Yes.
Actually, what happens is that we are very close to the Himalayas, and whenever there is snowfall in the Himalayas, there is rainfall over here.
Okay.
So it
So,
snows over there and it rains over here.
mhm. So you're
So
meeting for
that's
the first time. If you don't mind, you can tell me about yourself also.
okay. So my name is Divya. I'm based out of New Delhi, and I'm actually a marketing professional.
Okay.
So I work in the travel sector. I'm working from home for last 1.5 year now, and in travel, travel has become very seasonal with COVID. So like as soon as COVID cases go up, travel goes down. So we don't experience too much. That time when the wave is high, then we hardly have any work to do. So that's when I started taking up these classes at Clippingo,
Okay.
and uh, because it sort of keeps you busy. Like today, there's a weekend curfew in Delhi,
Yes.
and
Yes.
yeah, so it's good, if you're busy, you don't feel the need to go out.
Yeah.
So, so that's so I started taking these classes at Clippingo. I started meeting people from different places. So before this, I was doing a class in Mangalore, and then before that, so I meet people all around the country. It's been a very good experience for me. So whatever I basically a corporate profession, most people come here to improve their fluency, or most of 80% of our learners are actually software professionals. They're all experiencing fluency issue when it comes to handling their clients, etc. So I take
Mm.
classes over here. So that's briefly about me. I started working with them. It's been, I think, around Feb. I started joining. I joined Feb last year. So been a year almost.
Okay. Almost like me when I joined this last Feb.
Yes, yes, yes. No, but initially I used to hardly take any classes because I was busy with my own work. But then gradually in April, when cases started increasing and there was a lot of everything, that time I started taking more classes over here. But it has
Okay.
been an overall very interesting experience for me because I also get to interact. I get to interact with a lot of people around the country, and from south to the east, to north to west. So it's a very interesting experience.
Yes. Yes. Same here. It is not about learning only. When I started taking classes with the tutors, so I got to meet so many tutors from different places of India. Yeah, it's a very
Yes.
good experience for me also.
Yeah, I've completely enjoyed this experience of Clippingo because a lot of time people tell me it's like, why don't you leave? You have other things to do also. So I'm like, no,
Mhm.
no, I completely, it's like a stress buster for me. I mean,
Yes, right. I also think like that. It's a stress buster. Yeah, this is the right thing to say.
yeah, so I'm like, yeah, it's so much fun. I mean, I have some of my students are like my very regular students who I see them like almost every day. So
Okay.
I made like so many friends now, and not only in India, we have so many students outside India who are Indians. Like one of my very good students, she's based out of Dubai, and she stays over there. And because being an Indian, she faces problems speaking because their English is the dominant language. So she
Okay.
takes classes with us. So she's a regular student. So we have a lot of students. Not only I'm saying my exposure is not even limited just to India. Now it's even I have some students in only, but it's good. You get to know so many different cultures, so many different places. Now I know what is the weather of Assam. Just tell
Yes.
me,
Okay.
Lily.
So you have never been to this part of our country, I think.
Of course, I've been. I've been to Assam. I've been to Guwahati. I
Okay.
Yeah. I've been to Guwahati. It's a lovely place.
So what
And
brought you here with your profession or something else?
yes. I was. I used to come. Assam used to be a good market for me. So when I used to travel for work, then I used to come to Assam. Used to come to Guwahati, and
Okay.
I visited the Kamakhya temple of Guwahati.
Yes, that's nice.
Yeah,
So
it's a
whoever comes to
wonderful.
Guwahati, this is the first thing they do.
I didn't know about Kamakhya temple. So one of my team members only told me about Kamakhya, and it was a very wonderful experience
Yes.
uh, when you visit over there. It's a beautiful
Particularly,
experience.
these celebrities, whenever they come for any region to our place in Guwahati, so they make it a point to visit Kamakya.
Yeah. So then that's when my team member told me that like so over here we go to Vaishno Devi in North India. So
Okay.
so they told me was like and it was like really long queue. I mean to get darshan, it was not easy. So they told me it's like no
Yes.
for
Last time I visited there, we went there
Mm.
at 8 a.m. in the morning and we could come out at 5 p.m. in the evening. you you can
Yeah,
guess how long it was,
yeah.
the queue.
It's a very long darshan. I was very shocked. They told me, no, it's like a real this thing. So my colleague told me was that he knew some people, and that's how we got an early darshan. Otherwise, it was like it's a huge queue. I mean, I was like shocked. I was like, my God.
A serpentine queue, we can say, na? Is it? It's a
Yes,
term.
serpentine queue. Yes, a
Yeah.
long queue can be said serpentine queue.
Yeah.
Yes, it's a very long queue, but it's a very beautiful temple.
Yeah, it's a beautiful temple.
Yes. If I ever get a chance again, so I would love to see it again.
Sure.